Today we're going to make some Easter yard signs using the Glowforge laser cutter on chip builds. When you use the laser, you want to make sure your material is nice and flat, but a lot of the times any material that I buy that isn't from like the specific Glowforge company, it's pretty warped. So I just 3D printed out these little hold down tabs that fit into the honeycomb bed to hold the piece of wood down, keep it in place, that way it will cut all the way through. My mom asked me to make some Easter yard signs this year, and of course I had to say yes. So I decided to use the Glowforge because I knew it would make this a really quick project. These pieces only took about 1 minute to 3 minutes depending on how complex the shape was. So overall this went pretty quickly. I bought some pastel colored spray paint and I just started spraying each piece with a nice light coat. Overall, I think I sprayed each piece with 3 coats of paint. I got these little wooden stakes from Home Depot, so that way I can attach the eggs and the peeps to them and pound them into the dirt. And my dad had a good idea of spray painting them green to kind of make them look like grass. I was just going to leave them the natural wood color, but once I painted them, I was really glad he made that suggestion. I used Gorilla Spray adhesive to attach the 2 layers of the eggs, and I used little like fabric clamps to clamp them together. However, this glue wasn't the best process for this because I think the MDF wood kind of soaked it up and it didn't really have a chance to bond well. So in the end, I had to go back and use like thick super glue. To attach the eggs and the peeps to the stakes, I just used some clear Gorilla Glue and some brad nails to really hold it in place. This project was super fun and super quick, and I think it turned out pretty great. If you want to make these yourself, I will have the files available on my Patreon account, so go check that out if you want to make these. Thanks for watching, guys.